Hello children, today you will be learning about mirror formula. Mirror formula is the relation between object distance, image distance and focal length of a mirror. You have not to study the derivation of mirror formula in class 10, but we will explain the mirror formula with the help of the diagram. You will be having the question related to the mirror formula, means numerical questions will be asked based on the mirror formula. Another thing is that we will be using mirror formula in magnification also. So let us know the mirror formula. Suppose this is a concave mirror. Mirror formula is applicable for both concave as well as convex mirror. This is a concave mirror and this is a point P, pole. This is focus and this is center of curvature. Let us put an object AB beyond C. A ray of light is incident at point P, means pole of the mirror. From A, it reflects back following the law of reflection, means this is angle I and this is angle R, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. There is another ray through center of curvature of the mirror which reflect back along the same path. This is D, this is E. In this way you will get image of AB as A dash B dash lying between C and F. This image is real and inverted. This is diminished, real and inverted, and diminished image is here. You see AB is the object, so distance of the object from the pole is called object distance. It is denoted by U. And A dash B dash is the image, distance of image from the pole is called image distance. This is denoted by V. And distance of focus F from pole is called focal length. It is denoted by small f. A relation between U, V and F is called mirror formula. So mirror formula is 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. This is the mirror formula. You are aware about sign convention. Here U is negative, V is also negative, F is also negative. Means UVF can be negative, UVF can be positive depending upon sign convention. You must be knowing about sign convention. So this is the relation between object distance U, image distance V and focal length F of a mirror. This is applicable for both concave as well as convex mirror. You can also write it as 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 2 by R. So whenever you will be solving numerical problems related to mirror formula, means you will be given either of the two values out of these three values, U, V and F, or U, V and R, and third will be obtained by using this formula. You must be using sign convention according to the question. Is it clear? So this is the mirror formula. Its derivation is not in syllabus of class 10. After then, you have to learn about magnification. So what is magnification? As its meaning, means meaning of the word magnification. Magnify, enlarge, enlargement. Magnification is enlarging, enlargement. In which context you have to learn about magnification, enlargement? You see here the image is smaller than the object. Image can be larger than the object. Image can be equal to the size of the object. So what is the size of the image with respect to the object is called magnification produced by the mirror. Have you understand? The size of the object is how many times, the size of the image is how many times the size of the object, that is called magnification. So let us discuss about magnification here. Magnification. Magnification. You can write down, it is the ratio of the size of image to the size of its corresponding object. It is the ratio of the size of image to the size of its corresponding object. Means magnification, which is denoted by M, is equal to size of the image by size of the object whose image is this one. Size of image by size of object. You see, object can be of three types. It can be linear, means one dimensional, like a wire. It can be two dimensional, like a sheet of paper. It can be three dimensional, like a sphere, like a cuboid. So one dimensional linear, two dimensional superficial having area, and three dimensional having volume. So size will be linear, means length. Size will be area. Size will be volume. But in class 10, you have to learn only about linear magnification. So here size means length or height of an object. So why we can write size of the image means height of the image, HI, by height of the object, HO. Whenever you will be learning about the superficial magnification, you will be learning about the superficial magnification, then this HI can be AI, area of covered by the image, area covered by the object, area of image by area of the object. If you will be talking about the volumetric magnification, cubical magnification, this will be volume of image by volume of the object. But in class 10, you have to learn only about linear magnification. So this is height of image by height of object. This is the formula for magnification. Now see, this HI and HO can be expressed in terms of UV and F. So just concentrate on this diagram. What can you write? In figure, you see triangle A', is similar to triangle ABP. A', B', is similar to ABP. See how? The condition of similarity is that if all the three sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be similar. You see in A', angle B' is a right angle. In ABP, angle B is right angle. In A', R, and in ABP, I and R are angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So by the law of reflection, these two will be equal. When two angles of a triangle are equal to two angles of the other triangle, then the remaining angle will also be equal. So these two triangles are similar now. These two triangles are now similar to each other. And you know, when two triangles are similar to each other, the sides will be in the same proportion. So A dash B dash by AB. You see A dash B dash is the image of AB. So A dash B dash by AB is equal to PB dash by corresponding side PB. PB dash by PB. It will be equal to PA dash by PA. But PA dash and PA have no importance in this derivation. So PA dash and PA will not be used in the equation here. This is equal to PB dash by PB. This is written like this. Now you see A dash B dash is image, height of image, and height of image is taken just below the principal axis. You know the distances measured perpendicular to the principal axis in downward direction is taken as negative. So A dash B dash is negative. This is minus HI. And AB is taken as AB is the distance perpendicularly upward from the principal axis, so it will be taken as positive. Hence this is HO. HO is positive. HI is negative. And this is equal to PB dash. You see this PB dash is in the direction opposite to the incident ray. Incident ray is coming from left and PB dash is towards left. According to sign convention, distances measured opposite to the direction of incident rays are taken as negative. So this PB dash is negative and PB dash is image distance. It is denoted by V. So this is minus V by PB. You see this PB is also negative. So this is minus U. From here you can write it HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. So this magnification becomes minus V by U. First relation of magnification was M is equal to HI by HO. After then M is equal to minus V by U. Now we will be using U in terms of V and F or V in terms of U and F. You see how? M is equal to minus V by U. We have 1 by U plus 1 by V. 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. This is mirror formula. From here, 1 by U will be equal to 1 by F minus 1 by V. This is V minus F by V into F. Is it so? After then, you use this 1 by U in the formula of magnification. Therefore, M is equal to minus V. In place of U, you can write V minus F by V into F. See, these V will be cancelled out and you will be having F minus V by F. This is the formula of magnification in terms of F and V. Formula of magnification in terms of F and V. Got it? Now, in the same way, we can replace V from the magnification and we will be having formula of magnification in terms of U and F. You see how? Again, 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So it will be u minus f by uf. And from here you can write v is equal to uf by u minus f. uf by u minus f. Are you getting? Therefore m is equal to minus v by u. So minus 1 by u, and in place of v you can write uf by u minus f. You see these u will be cancelled out, and ultimately m is equal to f by f minus u. M is equal to f by f minus u. So this is the formula for magnification in terms of focal length and object distance, and this is the formula for magnification in terms of focal length and image distance, and m is equal to minus v by u is the formula for magnification in terms of image distance and the object distance. M is equal to hi by ho represents the formula for magnification in terms of height of image and height of object. So with this topic, chapter reflection of light is complete now. In the next lecture we will start with refraction of light. Till then, if you are having any doubt or if you are having any question related to these topics, related to the topic of reflection, you can write them in comment box here, and I will solve all those questions. I will discuss all those questions in my next lecture. Thank you very much.